You're gonna be alive already.
You're right. So, what's the other good song of Michael Jackson? Thriller.
Yep.
What's the other one? There's another one. Beat it, beat it, beat it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So.
Whatever.
So let's do this. What's up, everybody? Joe and 45 Jewel Sports. Live with break 1633. OPC Platinum 1617. That's a double box break. So before I start the break, I'm just going to mention you this. For the marquee rookies, we're not going to ship them unless you're Toronto and Winnipeg. So if you only have one hit and it's a marquee rookie, we're not going to ship it. So with that being said, I'm going to start the break. So good luck, everybody. Let's do this. So yesterday we did a double box break of OPC Platinum, and the winner was the New York Islanders. What a break for the New York Islanders yesterday. Well, let's see today. Pack number 1. We start with the tracks for the Boston Bruins, the Danger. Brad Marchand. And you have a marquee rookie Colorado Ranch, Chris Bigra. Yes, I did not say Colorado.
What did you say?
Colorado.
I heard color orange.
Alright, so pack number 2. You have your retro rainbow Boston Bruins. David Krejci. And you have a marquee rookie for the Chicago Blackhawks, Gustav Forsling. Third pack, we have that's our autograph. It's a rookie retro, but buyback from 15-16 St. Louis Blues. Robbie Fabry.
Why?
Why? Why not?
Why?
Can you just leave?
Sorry.
You have a marquee rookie New York Islanders, Matthew Barzal. Sorry for that, guys. Whew. The danger was there. Marquee rookie rainbow New York Islanders, Anthony Beauvillier. With a marquee rookie Arizona, Christian Forak. Oh. Next, we have a rainbow New York Islanders, Brock Nelson. With a marquee rookie Arizona, Jacob Chychrun. So Frank, I heard you were an Adele fan, right?
Big fan.
Hello from the other side. Alright, so we have a blue cube marquee rookie out of 99, Tampa Bay Lightning, Braden Points. Why do you put your face there? It's number 80 out of 99 for Tampa Bay marquee rookie, Braden Points. Next pack, we have a retro New York Islanders, Yaroslav Alak. What did you say? And we have marquee rookie Montreal, Archery Lebanon. Hey, we're having fun, man. It's all fun here. It's all fun. Fun, eh? That's what they said. Next pack, we have a retro for the Calgary Flames, Johnny Gaudreau. Next, we have a retro gold rainbow Montreal. Number 110 out of 149, Michael Sergachev. Then we have a marquee rookie, Toronto Maple Leafs, Tobias Lindberg. Next, we have the NHL. Oh, nice. NHL logo crest for the Dallas Stars. Jamie Benn. And we have a marquee rookie, Ottawa Senators, Thomas Chabot. Next pack, Puck Personas, New York Islanders, John Tavares. And that's it. Next pack, Rainbow, Nashville Predators, PK Subban. And we have a marquee rookie for the New Jersey Devil, Pavel Zacha. Here he is, Pavel Zacha. Next pack, we have a marquee rookie tracks for the Flyers, Travis Konecny. Next, retro New York Rangers, Direct Stepan. And you have a marquee rookie, Boston Bruins, Brendan Carlo.
Oui, frappe-moi donc avec un Pittsburgh.
Next pack, we have a Platinum Phenom, Detroit Red Wings, Steve Eisman. Stevie Wonder. Whoa. What do we have in the next pack? A retro New York Islanders, John Tavares. And a marquee rookie for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Sonny Milano. Next, we have a retro Florida Panthers, Michael Matheson. And we have a marquee rookie, New York Islanders, Anthony Beauvillier. Next, we have a rainbow Buffalo Sabres, Jack Eichel. With marquee rookie Florida Panthers, Michael Matheson. Two last packs in box number 1. Let me get that out. We have a rainbow Nashville Predators, Ryan Johansson. And we have a marquee rookie for the Flyers, Ivan Provorov. And last pack, box number 1. We have the orange base card out of 25. Number 17 out of 35. Arizona Coyotes. Oliver Ekman-Larsson. There it is. And the last hit is the marquee rookie for Columbus Blue Jackets, Francois Werenski. So that was box number 1. It was a good box. Let's see box number 2. So box number 2. Box number 2, pack number 1. We have a marquee rookie rainbow Toronto Maple Leafs Tobias Lindbergh. We have a marquee rookie Boston Bruins Nathan Nynan. Pack number 2. We have a retro Columbus Oliver Bjorkstrand. Next, we have a rainbow for the Calgary Flames, Johnny Gaudreau. And we have a marquee rookie Winnipeg Jets, Josh Morrissey. Next pack, rainbow Vancouver Canucks, Jake Virtanen. And we have a marquee rookie for the Winnipeg Jets, Patrick Laney. Next, we have a retro rainbow for the Panthers, Aaron Ekblad. And we have a marquee rookie for the Vancouver Canucks, Nikita Shrimkins. Next, we have a retro for the Panthers, Aaron Ekblad. We have a marquee rookie, Chicago Blackhawks, Nick Schmaltz. Retro LA Kings, Jake Muzzin. And a marquee rookie for the Chicago Blackhawks, Lawson Krause. Next, we have a puck personas, New York Rangers, Matt Zuccarello. Next pack, we have NHL logo crest for the Florida Panthers, Jaromir Jagr. And we have a marquee rookie, Detroit Red Wings, Anthony Manta. Retro, Minnesota Wild, Zach Parise. And a marquee rookie for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Nikita Shashnikov. Next, we have the Sesame Gold Marquee Rookie for the Carolina Hurricane, number 12 out of 50, Sebastian Aho.
Ow.
Nice hit for Carolina Hurricane. Sebastian Aho, Sesame Gold out of 50. Next, we have a Rainbow, New York Islanders, John Tavares. We have a Marquee Rookie, Columbus, Oliver Bjorkstrand. Next, we have a Marquee Rookie, Colorado Avalanche, Tracks, Chris Bigra. And we have a Marquee Rookie for the Anaheim Ducks, Nick Saracen. NHL Logo Crest, Edmonton Oilers, Connor McDavid. Next, we have a Retro Gold Rainbow, number 99 out of 149, Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price. And we have a Marquee Rookie, Toronto Maple Leafs, Austin Matthews.
Jagger.
Austin Matthews, Marquee Rookie. Next, we have a Retro Boston Bruins, David Krejci. We have a Marquee Rookie, Toronto Maple Leafs, Frederick Gauthier. 4 packs left. Tracks for the Anaheim Ducks, Corey Perry. Rainbow, New York Rangers, Matt Zuccarello. Marquee Rookie for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Tom Kanako. That's the 2 last packs, and we didn't get the autograph. Who's gonna have the autograph? So we have the orange base card out of 25, 15 out of 25, Los Angeles Kings, Jeff Carter. And we have a Marquee Rookie for the Edmonton Oilers, Jesse Puljujarvi. So now it's the last pack and the autograph pack. Who are we going to have? For the New York Islanders, Ricky autograph, Ryan Pollock. So yesterday it was Anthony Beauvillier, now it's Ryan Pollock. And we have a Marquee Rookie for the Minnesota Wild, Joel Eriksson Akasis. So alright guys, that was our double box break of OPC Platinum. I'll be right back in 2 minutes with our double box break of SPX 16-17. Don't move. It's time for some Michael Jackson. Billie Jean, stop my love.